it's Emmy here. I wasn't planning to vlog today, but I thought it might be fun because I'll probably get some clips in the next few hours that I'll want to put up. So it might be a montage, not really sure, but I'm really excited because I found out the other day that one of my cousins from Houston and his family are coming, and there's going to be a beach party with one of my other cousins and all their families. So I'm going to meet my mom right now, and I made some really good spinach dip that's in my passenger seat, and I'm just really excited because I haven't seen them since Christmas, and even then it was a short trip, so I didn't get to spend a lot of time with them. So is that hair on my forehead? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna shut this off right now, and hopefully the next clip will be some pretty beach footage and my family. So yeah.